What's your name and what is your biggest softball ick?
My name is Hannah Heidemann, and my biggest softball ick is when you have your hair down.
My name's Demi Lewis, and my biggest softball ick is when someone's out like at the plate and they like bang their bat on the plate. Nah. My name is Bailey Barber, and my biggest softball ick is when they have the baseball pants all the way to the ankles. The socks that aren't long enough to reach the pants. I'm Caitlin, and my biggest softball ick is when you write someone's initial in the dirt before you go to bat.
My name's Brianna Nevich.
My name's Dakota, and glitter eye black.
My name is Ella, and my biggest softball ick is the ears not tucked into your visor.
My name's Erin, and my biggest softball ick is when catchers go to field day, pop fly, and throw their mask off. My name is Viola, and my biggest softball ick is when people use 12U cheaters.
Who is the hottest dad on the team?
Carl.
Carl.
Carl's really hot.
Carl.
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 Cartwheel. Round off.
What time is it?
It's time for lunch!
What time is it?
It's time for lunch!
What time is it?
It's time for lunch!
It's lunchtime!
Hey, what's for lunch?
I have non-carbonated raspberry acai
And green tea. Bree, what are you drinking?
peach mango body armor.
What else can we do? I'm not eating one of those. It's disgusting. Oh.
Yes, Mom.
Oh my god.
She got the crunch.
Shake it, shake it. You can go. Do the goal. Do the goal. Do the goal.
I wanna go home. I wanna go.
Oh my god.
Don't mess with Simone Biles.
Okay, guys. Siblings or dating?
Definitely dating.
Definitely dating because he's a redhead and she's like platinum blonde.
Dating.
Dating.
Right there.
Oh, dating.
Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Now we got ears.
Hey.
Hey guys. Like, okay, next pitch is gonna be low and outside. Drop a comment. What's your favorite candy?
My favorite candy is M&M's.
What's my favorite chocolate candy? And we're talking like candy. You really go for some hot tamales. Did you say Kit Kat's your favorite candy? Like, literally stop watching this video right now. Oh shit! I need poop. So I'm basically just gonna say out loud everything that's in my head, and then I'm gonna look like a fucking stupid. I mean, I'm gonna look really dumb because I'm just like talking into my shirt right now. Since it's only 150, and I haven't hit a home run yet. That's a little humbling. Me. Oh my god! I see Dakota. She's literally recording me. I see her. Okay, good.
Yeah, Demi! Woo!
Oh shit! It's me. It's me.
And we better turn 2 because I want to go freaking hit right now. I go all the way over here for the backup. You want to talk to the mic? Say hi.
Hey guys.
Alright. No more dilly dallying. Is the lefty better? What? Okay, how is that not a strike?
What if I make a diving catch and then the mic breaks?
I would actually fly. But then I'd have to buy names like that really expensively. And you know what? I think I'd be fine doing that. I already gave her a $5 donation, you know, it's gonna be fine. Okay. Ooh. How was that not a strike? That was literally up her. That was literally right over her. Hey, Kit Kats on 3. 1, 2, 3, Kit Kats. I should actually hate Kit Kats. They're like the worst candy ever. I don't know if I already said this, but if you like Kit Kats, get the fuck out of my face. Alright, let's go! Let's go hit!
So we put our hands up.
Put your hands up for my hands.
Need some milk.
And his name is John C.
try this actually, time.
Okay.